You learn with Robert, do you know he know the crypto? Said that you learn with Robert, know about the crypto. Said that you learn with Robert, know the stock market just for the show. Said that you learn with Robert, also gonna go and travel. I said that you learn with Robert, just doing his thing, and he doing his thing today. Just helping you out with the crypto world, and he doing his thing his way. Also help the people out there on the stock market, and the stock market going up and down. Talking about you learn with Robert over here, do you know how it go down? Saying that you learn with Robert, do you know he over there know about that crypto? Saying you learn with Robert over here today, also know that stock market, yo. Saying that you learn with Robert, just in doing what he do, he also gonna travel for a show. Saying that you learn with Robert's over here today, and he putting on a show. Saying he would tell you all the tips right now with the financial advice for yourself. But you still gotta go do your own thing so you can go and grow your wealth. Your wealth for you like the wealth for him, so you can just shine on them. Saying yes, I'm over here just singing this song. Some people up and in the DM. Saying that you learn with Robert, just to know his name. Do you know he know crypto? Saying that you learn with Robert, do you know he over there the stock market for that show? Saying that you learn with Robert, also having fun when he going to go travel. Saying that you learn with Robert, this song for you, and I thank you for my good show. Saying that when I see you doing them skits make me laugh so hard. Other people looking through the bushes sometimes, some people say they feeling hard. They peeping through the tree, try to see what you do, trying to write down all them tips. Saying that yes, I'm over here, just hitting shoulder rolls. Other people eat potato chips. Saying that you learn with Robert, do you even know? Do you know he know crypto? Saying that you learn with Robert over here today, got the stock market on this show. Saying that you learn with Robert, he doing his thing, do you know he will go and travel? Saying that you learn with Robert, this is a song for you, and I appreciate you on my show. Saying when I'm over here just showing some love, I'm showing love to you. Cause you showing love to everybody, cause it's just what you will do. Try to make them get their money in their pocket so they don't have to worry on them. Even send them silver coins just for the value so you can go and get on them. Saying you learn with Robert, I'm over here, do you know he know crypto? Saying that you learn with Robert, I'm saying his name, got the stock market on his show. Saying that you learn with Robert, he's having fun when he wanna go and travel. Saying you learn with Robert, I am Led J, and I'm thanking you for my show. Talking about this song is for you. Do you know he know that stock market too? And doing crypto, why he go travel? So I'm telling you, we talking about yo. Saying that you learn with Robert, do you even know? Do you know he know crypto? Saying you learn with Robert over here today. Got the stock market on his show. Got you learn with Robert, do you know he's over there? When he gonna go and travel? Saying you learn with Robert, I'm doing this song, so thanks for on my show, on my show.